I was driving home from work the other morning about 4 o'clock and thinking about rodeoing, and this line popped in my head. I said, were the buckles worth the pain? Thought I better write a song about that. Cracks in the concrete match the lines on my face. Red-eyed night drives a fast fall from grace, and the empty glass bottles all around the place. Pictured on the wall of the old glory days, pounding hooves and slick bronc reins, and the thunder and feeling, crowd going insane. Still it makes me wonder, were the buckles worth the pain? Missing time with family at home, I was out there chasing rodeo like a poison in my veins. From the Cascade Range to the great open plains, I set a horse in every single state, tempting luck and fate along the way. Oh, it makes me wonder, were the buckles worth the pain? Oh, there's a feeling every time I ride, my butt's in the saddle, I'd give a big nod, my toes out and spurring, the whole world to gain. Oh, it makes me wonder, were the buckles worth the pain? Man, there's a feeling every time I'd ride, I'd slip in the saddle, I'd give a big nod, my toes out and spurring, the whole world to gain. Oh, it makes me wonder, were the buckles worth the pain? Merry Christmas. I gotta go to work.